Hey YouTube, Bill Faith here from Build Short-Term Rental Wealth. Hopefully you guys are doing well. It's my last night in Cabo San Lucas with my wife here for a wedding. Just a beautiful sunset behind me, which kind of leads me to really want to talk about a couple of things. And it's funny because there was a debate going on in a Facebook group with about 20,000 plus hosts about cleaning, and should a host dock a star or even two for a guest that did not clean. So I chimed in and I said, "You charge a cleaning fee?" And she said, "Yes, we do." Then I replied back and said, "In my opinion, if you charge a cleaning fee and the guests don't put the dishes in the dishwasher, they do and they don't start it, or they don't strip beds or pile all the towels in one bathroom, whatever you request in your checkout process, then you shouldn't ding them if you're charging them for a cleaning fee." And here's why. This is the most important thing that I want you to understand: the psychology of our guests. Especially if you are in a higher price point. I'm staying at this incredible resort, and you know what? Even when my wife and I stay in hotels or resorts, we do straighten up the rooms for the cleaners, even though it's never asked of us. It's just the way that we are, because we are hosts, because we want to be good guests, whether we're at an Airbnb, a VRBO, or at a resort. And if you were trying to attract your ideal buyers to increase your ADR and not just compete on price, then your guests will be trained and they know to do the exact same thing. So take advantage of that. And inside of the host library that I built inside of Build Short-Term Rental Wealth, I have an action plan that talks about don't turn your guests into cleaners, specifically the night before checkout or the morning of checkout. When you do that with a high percentage of your guests, you leave a negative taste in their mouth. They may never say anything. They may even still give you a 5-star review. But the likelihood of them coming back is not the same as when they have a checkout process here. Because I don't know about you, but every time I've stayed at a Four Seasons or a Mandarin Oriental or the Faena in South Beach, even a Lowe's Vanderbilt or a Marriott, or here at LeBlanc in Cabo San Lucas, they don't ask me to strip my beds. They don't ask me to stuff the dishwasher. They don't ask me to do anything. But you know what? I'm a good guest and I do it anyway. So if you want to get better reviews, if you want to have a higher percentage rate of return guests to come back and book with you, here's my piece of advice. Do not turn your guests into cleaners, specifically at the back end. Now, a lot of people are going to say, well, they need to prep for my cleaners to get there. No, they don't. They're renting your house. They're paying a fee for every single night they stay there, and 99.9% of us are charging cleaning fees. It should absolve them from doing it. Should they do something? Should they clean up after themselves 100%? I'm not debating that by any means. What I'm trying to do is teach you how to think and how to position your business psychologically, and how what we do, our actions we take, the messages we send, our house rules, our check-in, our checkout processes impact their decision to want to come back and stay with us. If you have any questions, just drop a comment down below. And if this has created any type of value for you, make sure you smash that subscribe button, because we're doing this twice every week to try to help you become a better host.